Stop! Don't waste $2,000 on a laptop you'll only use to binge cat videos and stalk your ex on Facebook. Trust me, I've been there. But what if I told you the best laptops of 2025 cost less than your monthly DoorDash bill? Yeah, I'm serious. Welcome to Budget Laptop Battle Royale, where I, Vinayak Gupta, save your wallet from extinction. Let's get viral. First up, Acer Aspire 5. This thing's got a Ryzen 5, 8GB RAM, a 512GB SSD, and a keyboard so comfy, you'll be typing essays you didn't even get assigned. Battery? 10 hours. That's like 5 Marvel movies or 1 Zoom call that should have been an email. If you need a solid all-rounder for work or school, this is the MVP. Next, Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5. Want to flex on your friends with battery life? I took this to class, then a coffee shop, then my grandma's house. Still had battery. 16GB RAM means you can run Spotify, 47 Chrome tabs, and forget about that essay you're supposed to finish. It's lighter than my willpower at a pizza buffet. HP Laptop 15, the king of basic. It's not flashy, but neither is my haircut. Core i3, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD. Perfect for Netflix, docs, and let's be honest, procrastinating. If you're on a strict budget, this one's your new BFF. Asus VivoBook 15. OLED screen that's juicier than TikTok drama. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and yes, it has all the ports you'll ever need. If you love editing photos or just watching YouTube in bed, this is for you. Dell Inspiron 14. Built like a tank. Metal chassis, Ryzen 5, 8GB DDR5. Great for people who drop stuff. Or if you want your laptop to survive your oops moments. Need something even cheaper? Lenovo IdeaPad 1 or Acer Chromebook 315. Honestly, these are for emails, Google Docs, and explaining to your parents why you can't install Fortnite. So, how do you pick? Students, IdeaPad Slim 5, light and battery for days. Work warriors, Aspire 5, best bang for your buck. Media junkies, VivoBook 15, OLED Flex. Clumsy folks, Dell Inspiron 14, because accidents happen. My final verdict, Acer Aspire 5, undefeated champ. Lenovo IdeaPad, Slim 5, Battery Beast, HP Laptop 15, Budget Legend. And pro tip, if you can, upgrade to 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. Your future self will thank you. Alright, which one fits your vibe? Drop your pick in the comments, roast my choices, or tell me your weirdest laptop story. Hit like if your laptop has ever betrayed you. Subscribe for more real talk tech and turn on bell notifications. Because next week, I'm reviewing the worst laptops of 2025. And yeah, it'll be savage. See you then, and remember, don't pay Apple prices for potato performance. Peace.